up, guys? Devin with Mission Hobby Passion, doing something a little different today. Me and Keith are traveling in the car.
Actually, in Golden Turd.
Yeah, we're in Keith's Golden Turd. We're about to pass the point of the mountain. If you're from Utah, you know this is the point of the mountain. We're in Lehi right now, more of Thanksgiving Point. About to cross over into Salt Lake Valley. We're heading to the airport. So,
why are we heading to the airport, Devin?
where do you think we're going?
I don't know. Maybe.
So, yeah, we're gonna go to the airport. So that's kind of different. We may have stuff in the bag. Join us on this adventure. It might be in a few different videos because we might be doing a lot. So, stay tuned. Guys, we made it to the airport. We made it past security. I didn't die. I didn't have to get body searched. Keith took like 18 years because he's tall. That's why, right?
Yeah.
Or you have to all the electronics that we have, all the radios, all the computers,
All that gear,
everything,
man.
cameras,
YouTube life, buddy.
and yeah. So hopefully this video is epic because we do have the GoPros, 4 of them. So yeah, let's stay tuned for 5 of them.
My 3 on YouTube.
Oh, you have 3.
Yeah.
So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of it. We got some more epic stuff. We do have a layover in Seattle. There's your hint. Your guess where we're going from there. You just got an airplane in your airport? Alright guys, I didn't do any update in Seattle, but I was exhausted and tired. Keith did some, so go check out Keith's channel. Really short layover, was really nice. We were only sitting there for like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it's awesome. Got here really late last night, got some shut-eye.
You mean this morning?
Yeah, technically this morning. Now we're gonna have to pack up all our crap, and we're meeting someone right off of this next plane. We don't have to take a boat to meet them, so maybe someone recognizes this airport. We'll catch you on the plane ride. Everybody, yeah, buddy, Gonna walk out to our plane. This is the first time with fresh air.
Yeah, this was good. Guys, like no one's on this plane. It is freaking awesome. Made a photo of this plane.
Guys, we made it! We're with Tanner! He just picked us up from the airport. We're cruising in the Suburban. Well, not his Suburban, but a Suburban.
A Suburban.
suburban, you know, killing it. We're gonna go meet up with the rest of Tanner's family and get some supplies and goes, breakfast, and all sorts of fun stuff. So, yeah. All right, guys, we have gotten the boat to the dock. We're here. Don't worry. We got one of Tanner's brothers. He's partying. And Keith's over here holding the boat to the dock. I mean, it's tied down, but he's having fun. This is gonna be our view for the next 874 days. Nature's bin. Keith, how'd you feel about your 2 fish? Hey, it was exciting. These 2 right here. Boom, boom. And then this is my big baby. Here. Keith caught one of his on the freaking third pole. I took like 3,000. Alright guys, I didn't film the boat ride over, but this is Saldovia. Yeah, this is on the boatyard. And don't worry, we got the 3 biggest fish. And this bad girl, I named her Yummy, is mine.
You caught one.
Hey, I caught 1 fish. That is as big as both of your fishes combined. But I also caught like 1 trillion small ones, and you didn't catch any.
Yeah, because I timed out within the first 15 times I did.
Hey Tanner, how was the boat ride over?
It's fantastic.
Would you rate a solid 11 out of 10?
Let's bump that up to a 12 out of 10.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't catch any.
You didn't catch any fish?
No.
You're a poor soul. You have to catch some tomorrow. Or tonight.
Dude, I only casted like 5 times.
This bad girl's getting filleted.
This bad
By
girl's
the
getting
expert.
flayed. We caught her a few hours ago. So
Yeah.
let's do this.
The master at work.
The master at work. Gonna make a cut here, right behind the gill and the fin. As much meat as you can. We got salmon eggs.
She's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl. Oh, that sound. Oh, wow.
nuts? That is like the best cut ever because it's thin, cooks
Yeah.
really fast. Dude, it's my favorite part right there. Oh.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, that's it. These all skinned up. Like I said.
A knife. This is a knife.
We're out here. Hey, 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 get me in there. We're out here. We're filleting king salmon. This is a little jack. Okay, are you lefty or righty? So, you want to grab the fish, kind of hard because he's small. You want to grab him like this. Just grab the fin and just kind of push down with your fingers. So, Rotate the
Right
fish.
there.
Rotate the fish because you're. Or do you want to use your left hand or right? It doesn't matter to me.
Sure. This one right here.
Okay. Yeah, just like that. Make a cut and slice. Don't saw. See how sharp? Okay, that's it. You've cut into them and you've hit the spine. Now put your knife into the cut and rotate it down. Just like that. And be okay to push. And then you're going to want to just run it across. Remember to flex the knife, keep it flat, and just run it all the way through the tail.
You don't need to be like inches away from it.
Dude, look at that.
All right,
Look at that. You want to know what's really good about that cut? Is that it's straight and you were consistent the whole time. A lot of people get like so caught up and they keep stopping. So then there's all these like cut marks into the fillet. But look, that's a really, really nice fillet. Now, flip it over and do it to the other side. Look, oh wait, look at this. Look how clean that was. And we'll scrape the meat out of here, but flip it over and do the other side. Dude, that's awesome. So now other way, like that.
Feel that bone.
There you go.
Right there.
Yep.
Flex the knife.
Just keep going, keep cutting. Bro, that was so good. That was so good, because look, you kept all the meat on this thing.
Okay.
Bro, give me some. That was dang good. Look at that, you're not wasting anything. Because look, this is bone right here. See all those little white lines?
Yeah.
You don't even want those. So it was literally like perfect. Take a picture, bro. Take a picture.
Dude, bruh. I got her done. Son, first try.
Got her.
Bro, that was dang
She's a
good.
winner. Now you gotta do the self for me. Throw the fish. I heard it. I heard your eagles. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. It was just us traveling to Alaska and then just our first day there. It was crazy. It was the most wild day. I didn't think the day was gonna end. We were able to do so much. Lots of fishing. Caught my first salmon. It's freaking insane. He caught 2. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We will have more Alaska content for the next like 3 weeks or so. So hopefully you enjoyed and stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.